Action. Wait, let him introduce.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Spana Trade. Alright, guys, you can see these are my friends and they say they want to challenge me. That's my old and too much. Spana this, Spana that. I got the fear. I said, I don't know. You understand? If you see this guy, he's like a full blood. Understand? So, but they said who bet 10,000 naira. Yes, so I bring 10,000, they bring 10,000, that's 30,000. This is the money here. I say first to finish is going home. Wait, even like they say first to finish. First to finish is going home with this 30,000. You want to count it? Go take time.
Don't need. It's 30,000.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Confirm. 30,000 is on board. And this is 10 fufu we have here with drum soup and egusi. First to finish, we go home with 30,000 naira cash. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Let's go.
Are you ready?
Spana. Start. First to finish 10 fufu for 30,000 naira. Hey, Spana. Spana don't come again. They go with Spana for this one. They go with Spana. Hey, see Spana. See Spana.
This one is remaining 4. This one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Hey, Spana is at it again. Spana is at it again. Spana is at it again. Guys, Spana is at it again. It's remaining only 2 now. My God. Go Spana, go Spana, go Spana. Again. 10 fufu is down. 10 fufu is down. Spana is taking another person's own. Can you imagine? Hey! Spana no be human being. I tell you, I say Spana no be human being. Make una dey prepare, they can't challenge am. No say una go just come, they make mouth. See am now. 10 fufu is because this one is 11. Done and dusted. He has given. Let's go. Spana once again.
If you are ready to challenge me, amen.
If you are ready to challenge Spana, what?
Comment.